Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to cook zero-calorie noodles. First, you'll want to rinse your noodles very thoroughly under cold running water for at least 1 minute. This crucial step helps to wash away that unique aroma often associated with these noodles and significantly improves their overall texture. After rinsing, gently pat them dry with a paper towel to remove any excess moisture, preparing them perfectly for the next stage of cooking. Now, you have a couple of great options for cooking. You can boil the noodles for about 2 to 3 minutes, which will make them softer and more pliable. Or, if you prefer a chewier texture, try pan-frying them for 5 to 7 minutes. This method also helps them become more porous, allowing them to soak up all the delicious flavors from your sauces and ingredients much more effectively. To truly make these noodles shine, it's all about flavor infusion. Once prepared, add them directly into your simmering sauce, stir-fry, or soup. Let them cook together for several minutes, allowing the noodles to fully absorb all those wonderful tastes. Don't forget to incorporate aromatic ingredients like fresh garlic, grated ginger, or your favorite herbs to elevate the dish even further. Finally, let's talk about how to enjoy your perfectly cooked zero-calorie noodles. They make an excellent low-carb base for your favorite pasta dishes, like a creamy Alfredo or a rich marinara. You can also toss them into vibrant stir-fries packed with colorful vegetables and lean protein. For a lighter option, add them to hearty soups or refreshing salads, creating a satisfying and guilt-free meal.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.